Blackout date and unannounced audit. What do you need to know? My name is Felicia Loo, and I am a registered SQF consultant helping businesses with their SQF program requirements. Today, we're tackling a topic that often trips up even seasoned professionals: SQF blackout dates. Understanding what these dates are and what they aren't is crucial for ensuring your certification process runs smoothly. The concept of blackout dates in the context of SQF standards is simple yet important. Blackout dates are specific time periods during which certification audits cannot occur. This often coincides with peak production times, holiday seasons, or significant operational events. They are not arbitrary. They are strategic windows that help ensure both the auditee and auditor can focus on the audit process without major disruptions. What blackout dates are not, however, are blanket rules that apply universally to every facility. Blackout dates help to facilitate a thorough and uninterrupted audit process that ensures food safety practices are observed in their most accurate form. Blackout date cannot be your staff vacation days. They must be a valid date on which your facility is not in operation. They come into play during the scheduling of your SQF certification recertification audit once within a 3 years timeline. It's essential to plan these dates in advance and communicate them clearly to avoid scheduling conflicts and potential non-compliance issues. So, what should you be looking for when planning your blackout dates? To navigate the maze of SQF blackout dates without the headache, partnering with a knowledgeable SQF consultant like myself, Felicia Loo, is invaluable. Need help with SQF or other audit requirements? Book a strategy call with me, Felicia Loo, today. Dial 123-651-32488 and let us help you streamline your SQF audit preparation and execution, eliminating the risk of costly mistakes. Stay informed and empowered by subscribing to our channel.